Hello, with Gardner Intelligence, I'm Michael Gukas, Chief Economist, here to share with you our latest data for July of 2018 from the Gardner Business Index survey data. July's reading of 55.2 extends a downward slope in the business index over the last several months. However, when you look at this data compared to the average reading in 2017, which was a great year, we're right on track. Among the 6 components which construct the business index, supplier deliveries has made 3 all-time high readings in the last 7 months. And while this is very good, the other 5 components of the index have experienced slowing growth. And this means that month over month, we're seeing lower readings from those components. However, all those components are registering above 50, which tells us that they are growing, but simply more slowly than in the recent past. For more information on the state of manufacturing and to see our products and services, please visit our website at gardnerintelligence.com.